Hello, little learners. Welcome to Homeschool Channel. Learn with Omer. Let's learn and have fun.
Hello, my name is Sam. Go.
Hi there, nice to meet you, Cat.
Ha, ha. My name is Sam. I am 7 years old. I live in a small house. Oh. I live in a nice town.
Ha! I have a mom and a dad.
I have one brother. I have a dog too, gal. Down. My dog's name is Max. Oh. My favorite color is blue. I like playing with cars. I like to drink orange juice. My favorite toy is my teddy bear. I like sunny days. I go to school every day. This is my school backpack. I like my teacher. This is my friend. We are good friends. Hi. Ho. Let us be friends. Aye. I am happy to meet you. This is me. I have brown hair. I have brown eyes. I am tall for my age. I am strong and happy. I drew a picture of myself. This is my picture. My birthday is in June. I love birthday cake. Hekrik bite, Sipaga. I like winning games. And I like painting pictures. Pictures. Hekrik bite, Sipaga. I like winning games. I like flowers and plants. I like watching the stars. I like learning about the world. United States. I speak English. English. I am learning Ning. I am learning new words. I am doing my best. I want to learn more English. I want to learn more English. I am proud of myself. Ha 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 ha!
Now you can introduce yourself.
Ha! Her name is Emma.
How are you today?
How?
What is your name?
What is your favorite toy? Tao. Tell me your name. How old are you? This is so much fun.
What is your favorite food?
Thank you for meeting me.
I will see you again soon. I did a great job today.
I feel confident speaking English.
Ha! I learned so much today. Thank you for watching. This is my picture. I love birthday cake.
Thanks for learning with Omer. Please like and subscribe. Click the button below.